In this video, we're giving an honest review of the Fifth Third Secured credit card so you know exactly what to expect before applying. This card is designed to help people build or rebuild their credit and requires a refundable security deposit, usually starting at $300, which becomes your credit limit. It carries a modest annual fee of $24 and reports to all three major credit bureaus, making it effective for establishing or improving your credit history. The card includes standard protections like zero fraud liability and contactless payment support. However, the APR is high, around 27 to 29% variable, so carrying a balance can be costly, and there are no rewards or cashback programs. Some users have also noted occasional delays in reporting to credit bureaus. Overall, if you pay your balance in full each month and want a straightforward way to rebuild credit, this card can be useful. But if you're seeking rewards, low interest, or other perks, other cards may be a better fit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews of credit cards and financial tools.